Here at Gardner Homes, we want you to maintain the value of your investment, and the way to do that is to make sure that your home is well maintained in the future years. Making sure that your gutters are cleaned out, the roof's clear of any debris, there's no leaking taps within your joinery from appliances and so on. It's really important. These little things can help save you a lot of money in the long run. They can also keep your home looking schmick and keep the value of it up. It's really important when doing your landscaping that you get good gradient away from your home. You don't want any water pooling around your home that could affect the foundations of your home. Also, just down to little things like don't plant large trees beside your home. They could affect the foundations. Not only that, they're probably going to fill your gutters up with leaves as well. So just put a bit of thought into that early process and they might help avoid some of the problems you could encounter down the track. Probably every 6 months you should have a really good look around your home. Check your gutters. Just have a look at the general condition of any water that may be laying around your home during winter. Things like your smoke alarm batteries every 12 months. The filters within your rain should probably every few months. It's just getting into a little bit of a habit, they're habit forming. And once you can do that, you're really going to keep the quality of your home up. At Gardner Homes, as part of our process, if you've got any questions down the track on your home, anything you're not sure of, some advice you might be seeking, by all means pick up the phone and give us a call.